Good morning, 10th class. Today's our topic is preparation of acids. In earlier video, we have learned about classification of acids. Now this one is regarding to preparation of acid, means how acid is prepared. Bante kaise hain? Okay, we have so many methods to prepare acid, okay, but we will use very simple method, and that one is important for you also. Now just see, first one is by synthesis method. Okay, instead of learning direct example, okay, do one thing, you can learn their skeletal equation. Okay, skeletal equation means if you know the base, okay, so you can give any example of preparation of acid, because we have so many acids. Now just see, this one is a skeletal equation. Now hydrogen when react with non-metal, okay, you know hydrogen, okay, it's H, always exists as a diatomic molecule, it's H2. When react with any non-metal, it gives acid, maybe strong, maybe weak, but it gives acid. For example, it's a H2 plus Cl2, again non-metal, chlorine is a non-metal, exists as a diatomic molecule, it gives HCl, it's a hydrochloric acid. Instead of chlorine, just see, you can take another example, it's a H2, then bromine, it's a Br, that one is also exists as a diatomic molecule, it's a Br2, it gives HBr, it's a hydrogen bromide, or either you can say it's a hydrobromic acid. Now you can take one more example, that one is H2 plus, I think you know sulfur is also a non-metal, when it combines with hydrogen it gives H2s. Even that one is H2 plus O2, it gives H2O, that one is H2O is also a very weak acid, although their tests are neutral. But if you will see, that one is later on you will study in higher classes that H2O is also a very weak acid. The oxygen is a non-metal, when react with hydrogen it gives H2O, water. Now this one is one preparation. Now we have second preparation, when acidic oxide react with water. Okay, acidic oxide, okay, remember one thing, non-metallic oxide are known as acidic oxide. So we have non-metals like sulfur, we have chlorine, we have fluorine, okay, hydrogen, so many acidic oxides we have. So for one example is SO3, when react with water it gives acid. Now just see, it's a SO3 non-metallic oxide, when react with water it gives acid. This one is H2SO4, okay, so it gives what, that one is sulfuric acid, this one is sulfuric acid. Now another one is CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon is a non-metal, okay, when react, this one is when react with CO2, react with water, it gives H2CO3, this one is carbonic acid. So this carbonic acid generally used in soft drinks, either it's a Fanta, Coca-Cola, so in soft drink that carbonic acid is used. Okay, so you can take another example also, it's a sulfur dioxide, when react with H2O it gives H2SO3, this one is sulfurous acid, sulfurous acid. So we have so many example. If you know skeletal equation, so you can write any example. Okay, this one is about your preparation. Now next one is we have properties, physical properties of acids. Okay, in case of physical properties, as I told you, that one is acids are sour in taste, खट्टे होते हैं taste में, means whatever is the substance, those whose taste is sour, okay, so it means they contain acid, either in a small, either in large amount, but they contain acid. Now second thing is, that one is very important point, that one is acid changes the color of indicators also. Okay, so in this one they change the color of indicator. So we have different indicators, we have natural indicators. Okay, now what is indicators, hote kya hai indicator? Okay, in this one normally, okay, in our scooty, either in our car, have you seen both the side we have indicator, for left side as well as for right side, दोनों के लिए होते हैं, किस डायरेक्शन में you have to go. Okay, तो indicators basically क्या करते हैं, by the change of their color they will show either the substance is acid or either the substance is base. So first one is, now check indicator. Okay, if indicator is litmus, okay, now in case of litmus, generally acid turns blue litmus to red. Okay, And methyl orange, second one is methyl orange, they turn orange color to pink. Okay, actually it's a reddish pink color. Okay, so you sometime will write reddish pink, or otherwise pink is also okay. Now phenolphthalein, okay, phenolphthalein, it remains colorless, means if acid is there so it remains colorless, there is no change in the indicator. Okay, so this one is another physical state. Now one more important, that one is physical property, that one is physical state. So some acids are solids and some are liquid at room temperature. Okay, I think you know acid, you all are familiar. Now in case of acids, some are solid and some are liquid. The solid, example of solid, we have boric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid. Okay, so many. Although formula is not required for you, oxalic acid is important, that you have to learn. Now these are solids. Now we have liquid acids also. Okay, in case of liquid acid, we have volatile acid, we have non-volatile acid. अच्छा, volatile acid means in normal word उड़ने वाले. उड़ने मीन्स पंख लगा के उड़ेंगे नहीं. ओके, बट उड़ने वाले मीन्स whose melting point, or either you can say whose boiling point is low. Okay, generally their boiling point is low, they start boiling at very low temperature, that's why they are volatile in nature. Now example, acetic acid, formic acid, HCl, it's a hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, generally they are volatile acid and vaporize easily, it means their boiling point is low. Now that H2SO4 sulfuric acid is non-volatile acid because their boiling point is comparatively high. Okay, thank you.